Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Crypto Cortex, where we dive deep into the world of digital currencies and blockchain technology. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and want to know which cryptocurrencies could potentially explode in 2025, then this video is for you. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our future updates. Alright, let's get started with our top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025. Remember, this is not financial advice, always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Let's dive in. Number 5, Polkadot, DOT. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Polkadot, DOT, a blockchain with game-changing interoperability. Unlike traditional blockchains that operate in isolation, Polkadot's unique parison architecture allows multiple blockchains to communicate seamlessly. This enhances scalability, security, and efficiency, 3 crucial factors for the future of Web3. With the rise of decentralized applications, dApps, DeFi protocols, and multi-chain ecosystems, Polkadot is emerging as the connective tissue of the blockchain world. The ability to transfer assets and data across chains without bottlenecks or high fees could make DOT a dominant player in the next crypto cycle. Moreover, Polkadot's governance model allows token holders to actively participate in decision-making, making it one of the most decentralized and community-driven networks. With ongoing parison auctions and increasing adoption from major blockchain projects, Polkadot is not just another altcoin, it's an essential piece of the blockchain revolution. Will Polkadot's vision of a truly interconnected blockchain future make it one of the best-performing assets in 2025? We certainly think so. Number 4, Cardano, ADA. Coming in at number 4 is Cardano, ADA, one of the most meticulously developed blockchains in the crypto space. Unlike many other projects that prioritize rapid deployment, Cardano stands out for its strong emphasis on academic research and peer-reviewed development. Founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of Ethereum's co-founders, Cardano takes a methodical approach to blockchain innovation, ensuring security, scalability, and sustainability. A major reason why 2025 could be a breakout year for ADA is Hydra, its highly anticipated Layer 2 scaling solution. Hydra is designed to dramatically increase transaction speeds and reduce costs, making Cardano a powerhouse for smart contracts and DeFi applications. With this upgrade, Cardano has the potential to process over 1 million transactions per second, positioning itself as a true Ethereum competitor. But that's not all. Cardano's ecosystem is expanding rapidly, with a surge in DeFi projects, NFT marketplaces, and real-world blockchain solutions being built on its network. Governments and institutions are even exploring Cardano for projects in education, supply chain, and financial inclusion, a sign that its long-term vision is paying off. With Hydra rolling out, DeFi adoption rising, and institutional interest growing, ADA could be one of the biggest movers in 2025. Will Cardano finally live up to its massive potential and dominate the smart contract space? We're keeping a very close watch. Number 3, Binance Coin, BNB. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is Binance Coin, BNB, a cryptocurrency that has evolved far beyond its original purpose. Initially launched as a utility token for offering discounted trading fees on the Binance exchange, BNB has grown into one of the most valuable and widely used cryptocurrencies in the world. Today, it powers the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, a rapidly expanding hub for DeFi projects, NFTs, gaming applications, and Web3 innovations. One of the key strengths of BNB is its strong ecosystem. Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, continues to drive massive adoption by launching new features, services, and investment opportunities. From Binance Pay to Binance Launchpad, the platform is constantly innovating, increasing BNB's demand and utility. Another major factor supporting BNB's growth is its quarterly token burn mechanism. By regularly reducing the supply, Binance helps keep BNB scarce and deflationary, which can drive prices higher over time. Looking ahead to 2025, Binance is actively expanding its influence in decentralized finance, DeFi, institutional investments, and global payments. If Binance maintains its dominance and regulatory approvals continue to favor crypto adoption, BNB could skyrocket in value and cement its position as a top-tier digital asset. With its ever-growing ecosystem, real-world use cases, and continuous innovation, BNB is not just a token, it's a key pillar of the future crypto economy. Will Binance Coin hit new all-time highs in 2025? We certainly wouldn't be surprised. Number 2, Ethereum, ETH. Coming in at number 2 is none other than Ethereum, ETH, the undisputed king of smart contracts and the foundation of DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. Despite facing competition and challenges like high gas fees, Ethereum has maintained its dominance in the crypto space. Why? Because no other blockchain matches Ethereum's level of adoption, security, and developer activity. It remains the go-to platform for decentralized finance, DeFi, NFT marketplaces, metaverse projects, and enterprise blockchain solutions. But here's where things get even more exciting. Ethereum 2.0 is in full swing. The long-awaited upgrades, including the transition to proof of stake, POS, and sharding, are set to radically improve Ethereum's scalability, reduce transaction costs, and enhance overall efficiency. Proof of stake, POS. This upgrade replaces energy-intensive mining with a more eco-friendly and secure system, making Ethereum more sustainable and decentralized. Sharding, a game-changer for scalability. Sharding will allow Ethereum to process thousands of transactions per second, making congestion and high fees a thing of the past. With major institutions, billion-dollar DeFi projects, and top-tier developers continuing to build on Ethereum, its network effect is stronger than ever. Even as new blockchains emerge, Ethereum's first-mover advantage and ongoing innovation make it a powerhouse that's impossible to ignore. By 2025, Ethereum could solidify its status as the ultimate smart contract platform, potentially rivaling or even surpassing Bitcoin in market cap. Will ETH break new all-time highs and dominate Web3? All signs point to yes. Number 1, Bitcoin, BTC, and finally, taking the top spot, the granddaddy of them all, Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's the foundation of the entire crypto market. Launched in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has stood the test of time, proving itself as the most secure, decentralized, and widely recognized digital asset in the world. But what makes Bitcoin a must-watch in 2025? Institutional adoption is growing. Major corporations, hedge funds, and even governments are embracing Bitcoin. Companies like MicroStrategy, Tesla, and BlackRock continue to accumulate BTC, treating it as a hedge against inflation and a store of value rivaling gold. The digital gold narrative is stronger than ever. With concerns over traditional finance, Bitcoin is increasingly being seen as digital gold, a scarce, deflationary asset that can protect wealth over time. Unlike fiat currencies, Bitcoin's supply is hard-capped at 21 million coins, making it one of the most sound monetary assets ever created. Bitcoin having 2024, the catalyst for massive growth. One of the biggest reasons 2025 could be explosive for Bitcoin is the Bitcoin halving event in 2024. Every 4 years, Bitcoin's block reward is cut in half, reducing the rate at which new BTC enters circulation. Historically, each halving has triggered massive bull runs, with Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs in the following years. Could Bitcoin hit $100,000, $250,000, or even higher in 2025? Some analysts think so. As the most trusted and battle-tested crypto asset, Bitcoin remains a staple in every serious investor's portfolio. Whether you're a long-term hodler or a new investor, ignoring Bitcoin in 2025 could be a big mistake. And there you have it, our top 5 cryptocurrencies to keep an eye on in 2025. Let me know in the comments which ones you're most excited about, or if there's another coin you think will take off. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow crypto fans, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Until next time, keep exploring the digital frontier.